Class 8 Human Circulatory System. Good morning my dear children. Today we are going to study about human circulatory system and also human heart. We can say heart is a very important organ for our body. The heart is an amazing organ. It pumps oxygen and nutrient-rich blood throughout your body to sustain life. This first-sized powerhouse beats 100,000 times per day, pumping 5 or 6 quarts of blood each minute, or about 2000 gallons per day. So today we are going to start our chapter Human Circulatory System. What does the heart do? Here you can see the picture of heart. The heart is a pump, usually beating about 60 to 100 times per minute. With every heartbeat, the heart sends blood throughout to our bodies, carrying oxygen to every cell. After delivering the oxygen, the blood returns to the heart. The heart sends blood to the lungs to pick up more oxygen. This cycle repeats over and over again. Human circulatory system. What does the circulatory system do? The circulatory system is made up of blood vessels that carry blood away from towards the heart. Arteries carry blood away from the heart and veins carry blood back to the heart. What are the parts of circulatory system? Two pathways come from the heart. The pulmonary circulation is a short loop from the heart to the lungs and back again. The systemic circulation carries blood from the heart to all the other parts of the body and back again. How does blood travel through the heart? As the heart beats, it pumps blood through a system of blood vessels called the circulatory system. Before we studied about blood vessels, two types blood vessels are there, arteries and veins, that helps in the circulation of blood. The vessels are elastic muscular tubes that carry blood to every part of the body. Blood flow in human circulatory system or parts of heart. The heart is made up of 4 chambers. Two upper chambers are known as the left atrium and right atrium. Two lower chambers are called left and right ventricles. It is also made up of 4 valves: the tricuspid, pulmonary, mitral, and aortic valves. Blood vessels. Here you can see the picture of blood vessels. These blood vessels are divided into two colors, red and blue. Blood vessels are any of the tubes in your body which blood flows through. Types of blood vessels. There are 3 main blood vessels. Arteries. They begin with the aorta, the large artery leaving the heart. Arteries carry oxygen rich away from the heart to all of the body's tissues. They branch several times, becoming smaller and smaller as they carry blood further from the heart and into organs. Capillaries. This is second type of blood vessels. Capillaries. These are small, thin blood vessels that connect the arteries and the veins. Their thin walls allow oxygen, nutrients, carbon dioxide, and other waste products to pass to and from our organ cells. Veins. There are the blood vessels that take blood back to the heart. This blood has lower oxygen content and is rich in waste products that are to be excreted or removed from the body. The superior vena cava is the large vein that brings blood from the head and arms to the heart, and the inferior vena cava brings blood from the abdomen and legs into the heart. Heart diseases and diabetes. Heart disease is common with diabetes. Data from the National Heart Association from 2012 shows 65% people with diabetes will die from sort of heart disease or stroke. Heart diseases and diabetes. Heart disease is common with diabetes. Data from the National Heart Association from 2012 shows 65% people with diabetes will die from sort of heart disease or stroke. What are the symptoms of heart attack? The symptoms of heart attack include shortness of breathing or breath, feeling faint, feeling dizzy, excessive and unexplained sweating, pain in the shoulders, jaw and left arm, chest pain or pressure. How can you keep your heart healthy? Do physical exercises, play games, outdoor games and indoor games, eat a nutritious diet, reach and keep a healthy weight, avoid smoking, go for regular checkups. Exercise. On a piece of paper, draw a diagram of human heart and color it in the different colors. Thank you, my dear children, and God bless you all.